An STL is a stereolithograph given by 3D systems. In a nutshell, an STL file stores information about 3D models. This format describes only the surface geometry of a 3D object without any representation of color, texture, or other common model attributes. These files are generally generated by CAD programs and as an end product of 3D modeling process. STL is the file extension of the STL file format. The STL file format is the most commonly used file format for 3D printing. Once you are ready to export your STL, you're going to go to the parts list, and I only have one part. This is important that you want to make sure that all your parts have been merged together. So if they're not, you're going to want to use the Boolean command right here. Since mine's only one part, I can select the dots, select export. I'm going to name this the file format you would want to choose is STL. So these are all native file formats for different 3D modeling softwares. I want to make sure my unit matches the unit that I dimensioned in. So for me it's inches. The resolution set for medium. I'm going to choose my options to download and then select export. It's going to prompt you to where you want your file to be exported to. I'm going to keep mine to my iCloud downloads. Hit save. To locate this file, you're going to go to your files, and it is right here.